So what you need? You need this one, this T pipe and bottle. Also you can do it without the bottle. I will show you. Now need to remove this unit. This one. And look what need to do. So this will little open it and open, and that the air not coming from this way, I will use the nylon. Just little piece of it. Let's install, but you see it's going. Oh, this is the end of the so I will now put on the all size. I will just put on this, that it will only on start, and after that I can close it, I can tighten it. Okay, so let's install it back. Oh yes, okay. And now what I do, I put one side to this, no, if you have changed the bearing or you need to change the oil, do first time to the bottle. But if you have fully new oil, you can remove this pipe. You see, first of all we need to fill of full of fluid. In this we using the must be brake fluid. Up, full. Okay. No, I have changed the oil. It's now new oil. And I will put the second end of the pipe to this, to the bottle. Okay? And now what I will to do? Now I have two lines. One line from bearing and second line to the bottle. So I'm close line to the bottle and pulling up. You see? Yeah. Now I'm close to this one and this one. And I'm doing until it will no air in this pipe from bearing. Oh, you see? Oh, air. Okay. See, I just did it before and the bearing has no air, but it was air when I received this car, and this was the reason why the clutch actuator was not working. But I will show you next. Oopsie. Okay, so I have no air. Now I need to close this, to tighten it. Yes. Now I can remove the pipe. And whoop.